Hello my phonics superstars and welcome to day 11 of my Phonics Boost. Well done for coming this far. I'm very proud of you for sticking with it. Hopefully you're seeing that improvement in your phonics skills. So let's get ready to get stuck in for another day of learning. Phonics brains on, superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. We have got some new sounds for the next 5 days. Let's see what we've got. We've got k, k. Now we've got 2 different letters, both making the k sound. We've got e, b, a. Right, now we're going to do my turn, then your turn, because I need to hear you saying them. K. Excellent. E, b, a. Excellent. Now that we've done them once, it's just your turn. Excellent. Now we've done them a couple of times. Do you think you can do it a little bit faster? Just you. Well done. Do you think you can go even faster? I think you can. Excellent. Now, of course, we're not going to forget our sounds that we've worked really hard on over the last couple of days. I'm not sounding these out, just you. Excellent. Do you think you can do it faster? I know you can. Excellent. Do you think we could put them all together? Do you think we could? You ready? Right, I want to hear you. That was so many sounds. Well done. Not going to forget about our first 5 sounds though. Can you remember these? I want to hear you. Amazing. Just think how many sounds you know now. But today we're focusing on this sound. Now this is the k sound and it's a short sound. K, k, k. Let's practice saying it. K, k, k. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying it. Let's find some objects that start with the k sound. Right, my phonics superstars, inside my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the k sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? Oh, should have known that was gonna happen. It's empty. I think we need some phonics magic. Can you remember our spell? We say hocus pocus phonics focus. Say it with me. You ready? Hocus pocus phonics focus. Let's have a look. Phew, it's worked. So I'm going to show you the object. Always tell me yes if it starts with the k sound or no if it doesn't. We ready? Cat. Yes. Elephant. No. Carrot. Yes. Camel. Yes. Banana. No. Right, now we know the objects that start with the k sound and those that don't. I'm going to put them back in and this time I'm going to go much quicker. Are you ready? Oh, excellent phonics superheroes. You were very, very fast. Now we've practiced our magic box. I think it's time to put those listening ears to the test and practice our oral blending. Make sure those superhero listening ears are turned on. You know what to do with that oral blending. I sound it out and I want you to say the word. Cat. Cat. Up. Cup. K-o-t. Cot. Excellent. Now we're going to move on to reading our words. Okay, my reading superstars. For our new k words, I'm going to sound them out first and then it's going to be your turn. Are we ready? K-a-t. Cat. Your turn. Cat. K-up. Cup. Your turn. Cup. K-o-t. Cot. Your turn. Cot. Excellent. Right, now we've done them once, just you. Cat. Cup. Cot. Excellent. Now, are you up for a challenge? I think you are. Our challenge word today is crept. Now, crept is if someone walked somewhere very slowly and quietly. So maybe you might have crept downstairs at night time. My turn first. K-r-e-p-t. Crept. Your turn. Crept. Excellent. I think you can do it again. Crept. Excellent. Right, now it's time to rewind and look at some words that we've been looking at for the last couple of days. Now with these ones, just you sounding them out. Are we ready? On. Dog. Excellent. Now with this one, we've practiced it a couple of times, so I'm going to see if you can just read it straight away. You ready? Pit. Right, now sound it out. Pit. Excellent. Time to move on to our tricky words. And our new tricky word today is me. 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 Excellent. Now, because it's day 11, I think we can look at all of the tricky words that we learned from day 6 to 10. Right, I'm going to go through them once and then it's going to be your turn. Was, you, go, into, no. Right, your turn to say them. Was, you, go, into, no. Excellent. I'm going to put our new word. Can we remember it? Me. I'm going to put this one into the pile. Let's see if we can do them. Was, you, go, into, no, me. Excellent. There are a lot of words there. Well done you. Right, my phonics superheroes, we are nearly at the end of day 11 of my Phonics Boost. Well done you for coming this far. Before we finish today, we're going to go over our focus sounds and then play our little game. So I'm going to remind you of our sounds. My turn first. K, k, e, b, a. Now, it's going to be your turn. Do you think you can do it faster? I think you can. Excellent. Now I'm going to take one away. Make sure you're paying attention. Are we ready? Which one was missing? Eh. Well done. Right, which one am I going to take away this time? Are you ready? Which one was missing? B. Excellent. Right, which one are we going to take away now? Are you ready? Which one was missing? Ah, excellent. And that's it. Day 11 completed. Well done, you. You should be feeling very proud of yourself. I know I'm feeling proud of you. Let's give yourselves a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. And I can't wait to see you again for my Phonics Boost. Bye.